Hello everyone, I am Mohammed Hassan, a user experience consultant and product designer. Now in the last few months, I have done a UX audit or micro UX audits of a lot of SaaS AI products, SaaS products that has been launched on AppSumo and Product Hunt. Now what I have found is going to be the topic of this video. Now the first one I think is the forms usability. So I have seen that a lot of people, that a lot of SaaS startups, that a lot of product designers, they are ignoring the usability principles and the user experience design principles of a great or good form. Now forms are basically the essence of your product. Why? Because when you are going to sign up to a new product, or someone is going to sign up on your SaaS product, so this is going to be the onboarding process. So sign up form is the thing that they are going to come across when they interact with your product for the first time. So if you are messing with your forms or your forms have usability issues, there were two startups, success.ai, and I think there was one more, I don't remember the name. I will show the images over here, and I was stuck on the name field, and I think it happened with me on the 3 different startups. So this is a very common ground or very common issue for most of the startups. So if you are a startup, you are thinking about planning a SaaS product, or you are thinking about the design, make sure your forms, your email forms, your forget email login forms, your sign up forms, your onboarding questionnaire, everything is in perfect condition and it is perfectly aligned to ease the user into your app. So if you are trying to create walls or obstructions for your user in their first interaction, this is going to be a disaster. So next I have seen the second major issue is feedback. How my customers, for example, I have a SaaS product and I have launched that SaaS product. How I'm going to gather direct feedback from my users or my customers, both premium and free users. So there must be something integrated into my app, like a feedback form or something like that, that is going to help the users. They can easily fill that out, maybe 1 or 2 lines, and they can tell what is the problem they are having. So this is going to remove the barrier between your product and your user and yourself. You as a founder, you want to get users feedback as soon as possible and as direct as it can be within your product. This is going to be the second. Now the third, I'm going to just share 3 major issues. You can read my article on Medium. I'm going to link it in the description of this video. That has all the details, all the screenshots, everything. Third one is going to be a very different thing, which is actually critical tasks or critical tasks path. So whenever you are launching a SaaS product, you have a SaaS product, and for example, I am using a SaaS product which is called Neuron Writer for writing my SEO content or my articles on LinkedIn, on Medium or other websites. Now, what should be the most critical part for the user in your app, or most critical flow? My flow would be for Neuron Writer. I don't want whatever I have written, I want it to be saved all the time. Okay. So if my data is wiped out, or maybe I have written like 1000 words, and when I open the article again and it has like 800 words and it hasn't saved my last state or last few paragraphs, then this is going to be a very, very critical problem. So performance issues is a very critical problem. For example, your pages, your app is loading very slow. It is going to irritate the user. Second is your critical functions like saving the document, saving the settings of the users, Okay, so making sure that everything is visible, everything is in control within the range of the user. So they have access to, changing their plans, changing their payment settings. I have seen some of the apps that they actually have a very different way of downgrading. So if you want to downgrade to some package, they don't show any downgrade options. So this is like, you cannot fool your users these days. Okay, so there are tons of other choices, tons of competitors. They are going to switch to another competitor. So if you are a SaaS product owner, then these three things can make your SaaS product stand out from the crowd. I have helped redesign SaaS apps that actually got #2 spot on Product Hunt. Similarly, I have redesigned the whole dashboard onboarding flows of a SaaS AI product called Skill Score, and they actually got like 35 MRR, or monthly recurring revenue, to 35 customers, averaging like $25 per month, and then they got like 25,000 free users in the first month of their launch. So I was given the challenge of redesigning their whole onboarding screens, the user experience, the flow of the onboarding, and also their first interaction with the app and its dashboard. The whole like 7 or 8 different screens of the dashboard, I totally revamped them. I started with the UX audit of that product and keep on altering and changing and having team meetups with their dev teams and their founders to make sure that it is aligned to their users and to their business goals. So this is me. I am Mohammed Hassan. I am a user experience design consultant. I am the owner or CEO of ProDesign.tech, a small design agency. We are like people, like right now we have like team of 4 or 5. So if you have any project in mind, SaaS dashboard design, SaaS UX for SaaS, or any other SaaS related or user experience design related or landing page design or development related project, you can always contact me. So I will show the contact details over here, and this is my YouTube video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I have seen that a lot of people who watch my channel are not subscribers, so make sure you subscribe so I get the motivation to provide more knowledge about user experience design for SaaS products, for SaaS AI products, to help founders, co-founders make better user experience for their SaaS products. So that is my mission. I hope to see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.